I'm Paul Schneidmiller, local business owner and 1970 grad of Wahai. Jody and I feel fortunate to live in a community that values public education. Our 4 daughters, we feel, received an excellent public school education, prepared them for higher education, and also to pursue their future career goals. As chair of the Community Facilities Task Force, I've been really impressed with our community. They have been engaged in this process of the bond proposal that you'll see on the ballot. We went with the conservative no tax rate increase proposal. It includes over $50 million of state matching funds. We decided to go with a model that focuses on remodeling and renovating as opposed to tearing down and building new. We feel this is a very solid proposal, and it will bring our facilities up to the 21st century. For further information, feel free to contact our Walla Walla School District 140 office, and they'll be more than glad to help you.